Okay, good day to you, Ben. We're back for your lesson in mathematics. Okay, so we're going to continue your lesson, and we are now in a fractional part of a whole number. Okay, we're going to get the fractional part of a whole number. So, how? By multiplying the fraction to the whole number. Okay, for example, we have here what is the fractional part of two-thirds of 6. Okay, here, okay. Now this, now two-thirds here is a fractional part of 6. Okay, so we have 6 here for the whole number. Now we are going to find the the part which is two-thirds of 6. Okay, so we are going to find the fractional part of 6, which is two-thirds. Okay, now the question is, what is two-thirds of 6? Okay, again, what is two-thirds of 6? Now, how do we compute this? Simply by multiplying the fraction to the whole number. Okay? We're going to multiply this 6. How? By making 6 here as a fraction. So what is the fraction of 6? That is 6 over 1. So it becomes two-thirds times 6 over 1. Okay? Because 6 over 1 here is 6. 6 divided by 1 is equals to 6. And 6 over 1 is also 6. Okay? So if we just make 6 over 1 as a fraction of 6. Okay? So that we can multiply it to two-thirds. Okay? So to get the fractional part of a whole number, to get the fractional part of 6, we just simply multiply the fraction to the fractional form of 6, that is 6 over 1. So we are now multiplying fraction. And to multiply that, uh, uh, based on our previous lesson, just multiply their numerator and multiply the denominator. So let's multiply. So 2 times 6 for the numerator is 12. And 3 times 1 is 2. Okay. So we have now 12, 3. No? To get to answer this, just simply divide. Okay. So 12 divided by 3. Okay. So 12 over 3 is simply 12 divided by 3. And how much is that? That's 4. Okay. So our answer here is 4. Therefore, the the fractional part, which is 4, is that is two-thirds of 6. Okay? Or what is two-thirds of 6? Answer is that is 4. Okay? So that is the fractional part. Now let's have some more example. Okay? How about we have 3/4 of 8? Okay? 3/4 of 8. Okay? So we are going to get the fractional part here. And again, the question is, what is 3/4 of 8? Okay, so we're going to get its fractional part. How? Okay, by multiplying this fraction with the fraction form of 8, which is 8 over 1. So we're going to do that. 3/4 for the fraction, and all here becomes multiplied because we just simply multiply fraction to the whole number. And 8 here for its fraction form. It is 8 over 1. Okay? Because 8 divided by 1 is the same. Let's do it as a fraction. Okay? For the purpose of multiplying the two. Okay? So 8 over 1 here is the same as 8. Because 8 divided by 1 is 8. Okay? So the same equal. So we have now two fractions. And to get the fractional part, just multiply. And we are now going to multiply numerator and numerator and its denominator to the denominator. So let's do that. 3 times 8 is 24. And 4 times 1 is 4. We have now 24 over 4. And to answer that, just simply divide numerator with its denominator. So 24 divided by 4. Answer is 6. Okay. So therefore, for each fractional part, 3/4 of 8 is 6. Okay. So 6 here is the 3/4 of 8. Okay. Let's have some more examples. Okay. It's 2/3 of 9. Okay. 2/3 of 9. Okay. Again, I am going to explain this. We were getting the fractional part of 9 here as a whole number. Okay. Now, 2/3 of 9. What is 2/3 of 9? So how to answer this? Just multiply fraction to the whole number in fraction form. Okay? We are going to multiply the two, but first we're going to change this into fraction form. So how to do that? So copy this. 2/3. 2/3. Now of here becomes multiply. We're going to multiply. And the fraction form of 9 is 9 over 1. Okay? Because if you divide 9 divided by 1 is the 9. Okay? We just made the whole number into a fraction. It's still, they're still equal. Okay? Because 9 here divided by 1 is still 9. Okay? So that we can multiply the two fractions now. Okay? We are now multiplying fraction. And how to do that? Just multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Okay, so to answer that, on the numerator, that is 2 times 9 is 18. Okay, and 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so we have 18 over 3. So to answer this, so we just simply divide 18 divided by 3. Numerator divide with denominator. Okay, so let's do that. 18 divided by 3. And the answer is 6. Okay. So meaning to say 2/3 of 9 is 6. Now 6 here is the fractional part of 9, which is 2/3. Okay. So let's have some more examples. Let's have example number 4. Okay. How about we're gonna make 2/3 9 here to 12. Okay. 2/3 of 12, for example. Okay. What is 2/3 of 12? The same process. Multiply the fraction to this whole number into a fraction form. Okay. Just multiply, but change this first into a fraction. To answer this, let's copy 2/3. 2/3 change of into multiply. Multiply that. And change 12 into a fraction, which is 12 over 1. 12 over 1. Then we are going to multiply these two fractions. Ano? Okay, then that. Multiply 2 times 12, that's 54 over 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so we can now divide 84 divided by 3 is 6. Okay, now let's see, sorry. Okay, okay, sorry. So meaning 2/3 of 12 is 8. Okay, so okay, for our last example, that is we have D7 of 14. Okay, so the same, we're gonna get the fractional part of 14 here, which is 3 over 7. Okay, so the question is, what is 3 over 7 of 14? So how to answer this? Same process. Multiply the fraction to the whole number by changing this whole number into a fraction form. So how to do that? First, let's copy this. That will be 3 over 7. Now, all here will become multiply. Okay? Now, 14 here will become 14 over 1 for each fraction form. Okay? Because 14 over 1 is the same as 14. So we are now multiplying two fractions here. Now, to multiply, that's the same process. Multiply there. Numerator, which is 3 times 14, that is 42. Okay? It will be 42 over 7 times 1 is 7. Okay? And so this will become 42 divided by 7. Okay? To get their answer. And that would be 6. Okay? So 6 here is the fractional part of 14, which is 3 over 7. Okay? So what is 3 over 7 of 14? That is 6. That's how you answer that. Just multiply fraction to the whole number while changing this whole number into a fraction form. And just multiply that and get their answer. Okay? So that's how you answer. That's how you get the fractional part of a whole number. Okay, so that's it for today, Ben. See you for our next lesson. Thank you for your time.